Building a skilled workforce is the first step to expanding the job market in Central Texas.
Students will enter the workforce making at least 50% more than their peers.
It's a chance to work with your hands in cutting-edge technology.
This is a unique partnership between industry and education.
We want to put students on the pathway to a long-term career.
21st century jobs require a unique approach to education.
Are you a high school student who likes working with your hands?
Are you fascinated by big machines and metal?
It could be that you think robots are outrageously wicked.
Or maybe it's sparks and smoke that float your boat.
And if you had a choice, would you rather be doing this?
Or this?
So maybe you find the stereotypical school day to be a bit humdrum and you're just a little bored by the routine.
Or maybe you just want to do something totally insane like build the world.
Well, if that's the case, then we have the perfect place for you.
This is what the Greater Waco Advanced Manufacturing Academy is all about.
This state-of-the-art school is a partnership between school districts in Central Texas and local industries.
The objective is simple but effective.
We prepare students with marketable skills for jobs that are in high demand in our community right now.
Okay, so how does this work?
Well, local businesses serve in an advisory capacity, and these businesses want to be your employer of choice.
These businesses are in dire need of skilled employees in the areas of welding, machining, and robotics.
Students will be mentored by our business partners to prepare them for the workforce.
School was not a place I enjoyed, but that's before I came here. Now I'm achieving goals and making better grades in all my classes. I'm furthering my education because I actually see myself in a career I'll enjoy. School becomes a lot more enjoyable when you have opportunities like this.
So you're probably wondering how much it costs to attend a school like this. Guess what? It's free!
Yep, you heard her just right. It is absolutely free.
Students currently enrolled in public schools in Central Texas may attend at no cost to them. The students' home school will pay the cost of textbooks, transportation, and tuition.
Getting to meet new kids from different schools has been really cool. Teamwork is a big part of what we do, so making new friends has been very easy.
So, what does a typical school day look like?
We get the best of both worlds because we spend half a day at our school and we get to spend half a day at the manufacturing academy.
We take classes like English and history at our regular school and math and science at the academy.
Everything we teach at the Manufacturing Academy applies to the real world. Subjects like math and science make more sense when students see how they are applied in the welding shop.
I can't describe the feeling when I put my welding mask on and I get my electrode holder and I start sparking the electrode and I start playing in the puddle. It's really quite an amazing feeling because they don't get to do this at other schools.
So what makes this school so interesting and unique?
Well, it's all about hands-on learning and preparation for the real world.
This school provides a direct pipeline to well-paying jobs right here in Central Texas.
Imagine what it would be like to graduate high school with a career already mapped out for you.
It's great for students to have options when they graduate. They can go to a 2-year college like TSTC, a 4-year college, or begin working right away.
From an economic standpoint, we see a bright future for our youth and for our community. And in terms of growth and recruiting new business to Central Texas, we see this program as a very valuable asset.
Learning is so much easier thanks to the hands-on activities.
Hopefully by now you're curious about what you will be learning at the Advanced Manufacturing Academy.
It's a focus on academies like welding, precision metal manufacturing, and electronics and robotics. You probably already know what welding is because it's used everywhere.
It's basically a way of bonding two pieces of metal together. And with welding, you can make all kinds of cool things from race cars to rockets and just about anything in between. In fact, half of the country's gross national product in some form or fashion is affected by welding.
There are tons of different welding methods, and although welding is easy to learn, it's difficult to master.
So right here in Central Texas, there's a long list of employers who need skilled laborers. So what does that mean to students? It means jobs.
It means job security.
And it means good paying jobs too.
Precision metal manufacturing is another area with a high demand for skilled workers.
Especially right here in Central Texas. With precision metal fabrication, you're using your hands and some really cool machinery to shape various types of metal to make industrial products and structure.
Working as a metal bender involves using hand tools, heavy machinery, welding equipment, lasers, computers, and even robotics.
In addition to well-paying jobs, these positions offer health insurance, paid vacation, sick leave, and retirement.
If you're into robots, then Electronics and Robotics is the academy for you.
Simply put, it's the practice of using robots for manufacturing. Robotics is an area of manufacturing that can encompass both welding and precision metal manufacturing.
It's a process that's used in a variety of industries and applications to automate and expedite the things that humans don't do well or dislike.
Due to rapid growth in the robotics industry, the career opportunities in robotics are vast.
Robots can be programmed to perform both dangerous and repetitive tasks with accuracy and precision. This protects humans from working in challenging environments by protecting them from physical strain and hazardous materials.
When you graduate from the Manufacturing Academy, you'll have earned dual credit college hours, plus you'll have several workforce certifications under your belt.
This will make you even more appealing to potential employers.
In our society, a high school diploma is a necessity. This academy is preparing students academically and grooming them to be effective employees.
Students also learn valuable life skills which are necessary for employment. When arriving and leaving campus, they clock in and out just like they would at any job. We help them build resumes, practice job interviewing, learn workplace etiquette, and even teach them financial literacy. We also take field trips so the students can see firsthand exactly what these jobs require.
The interaction between teachers and students is incredible. There's a real sense of teamwork in everything we do.
So let me guess, you want to know how to be admitted to the Greater Waco Advanced Manufacturing Academy. Well, it's very simple.
All you need to do is fill out an application. Applications are available online on the Manufacturing Academy website or visit your high school counselor for assistance.
It is important for students to talk to their parents. This is a family decision and parents should be involved.
So now you know that this is a school with rigorous, engaging, and meaningful coursework, coupled with high-quality instruction from true professionals in the field.
And you will graduate with the promise of guaranteed employment along with a high school diploma.
So ignite your passion today.
And when you walk across the stage at the Greater Waco Advanced Manufacturing Academy, you will be ready to build the world.